to be moving a beer from primary fermentation over to secondary. Not everybody's a fan of secondary, but we can talk about that later. But what I need to do right now is I need to clean and sanitize a carboy. I have some OneStep cleaner right here, which is what I like to use. I like to use my keg 2 bucket and carboy and keg cleaner. I have an attachment for cleaning kegs. It's really easy to use. Anyways, the tray is about 1.25 gallons, so usually what I do is I just do like a really heaping tablespoon, and I put that there. We need hot water. Got my water running. Now I'm just going to put it in there. Alright, hot water. There's a carboy. Alright. Carboy rests nicely. Just plug it in. Alright, this is going to take care of the inside of our carboy. While this is here, I am going to go ahead and clean my siphon too. I already have the tube hooked up. Now I can run cleaner through the inside of the siphon that I'm about to use for it. Whenever I put something away, I clean and sanitize it anyways. So usually when I'm ready to grab something, we only need about the minimum contact, which is about 30 seconds. I like to do something that's a little strange. Before I go from my cleaner onto my sanitizer, I like to rinse it. It's supposed to be a no-rinse cleaner, but the cleaner is highly alkaline. The OneStep, the PBW, the EasyClean, the OxyClean, those are percarbonates. That's highly alkaline. So before I put it with my acid sanitizer, I like to give it a little rinse. It makes my sanitizer, my Starsen, last a little longer. All right. A bucket of Starsen and then the sink. Like I said, set this guy on the floor. I'm gonna bring the bucket of sanitizer up here. I'm gonna make sure that my siphon is in contact with the sanitizer. Tubing also. Everything in there. And then we can siphon some sanitizer into our carboy. See, I really like the auto siphon. Just put it in. You really only need to pump it once, as long as the receiving vessel is below the level of liquid. Gravity should do the rest of the work. Just gonna put a little bit of sanitizer in here, enough to get a swish going, and that should do it. Bring this up. Up there. I have a Carboy dryer. It's really convenient. Take my Carboy, dryer with both hands. This is arguably the most dangerous part of it all. As you can see, it makes a lot of foam. Don't fear the foam. It's a sanitizer, it's not soap. And it helps the solution cling onto the sides of stuff and maximize contact. Alright. Again, don't fear the foam, but do your best to get most of it out. Alright, I'm going to put this upside down on the Carboy dryer. I'm going to let it dry for a few minutes while I get the rest of this stuff.